Ready fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Armoney lifestyle seafood mukbang. Did Armon propose? Let's get into it.
I want to come to y'all and let y'all know today is a very special day. I want to first and foremost thank y'all, everyone who's been streaming, purchasing the singles. Our Past Midnight is doing beautiful. I thank y'all. Keep on purchasing, keep on streaming it. But today is about Hold It Down. We got the Hold It Down merch. It is available. It is in the bio, man. I hope y'all love it. Took us a little minute, but we got it right for y'all. And yeah, let's get it. Love y'all, man. Click the link in the bio. Let's get it. Hey, yo! What's up, y'all, man? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, man. I hope y'all just synced that promo in the beginning. Yes, it is official. The merch is dropped. We got a couple things we're going to talk about. You feel what I'm saying? A couple things we got to dive into. I did go give me a little seafood boil for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all like when we eat. Well, when I eat. My baby girl is not next to me today. You know, she's coming over. She's probably going to be on her way in a minute. Chilling with the guys, you know what I'm saying? But I had to do my video. So, yeah, we're going to dive into something I want to talk about. You know what I mean? And, let me get right because I don't like spilling stuff all on me. I got my stuff on now. It's time to dig in. Let me put in my stuff. So, I know the question that y'all been asking. I know the question that y'all been trying to get down to. But we ain't gonna talk about that one right now. We're gonna get into something else. You feel what I'm saying? I'll talk about something else. We're gonna talk about that a little bit later. Cause you feel me, our swiggity just feel like I wanna talk about something a little bit different, man. Let's get into this. Alright, let's taste these shrimp. What y'all been up to, man? I'm so glad, I'm happy. I appreciate y'all. Everybody been streaming. Everybody that's been streaming, hold it down. Everybody that's been streaming. Hour Past Midnight, you know.
I like those songs. What do y'all think about Our Past Midnight and Hold It Down? I think he did a great job. I could see the growth in his music, and definitely I think being in a good relationship has helped his music.
Everybody in my house, let's just on the count of three, let's say hooray for my people. 1, 2, 3. Hooray! You know what I'm saying? Let me see. Okay. Okay. So look, we're gonna get straight into it. Our Past Midnight drop. Give me your thoughts about that, man. I need to see about 10,000 comments, man. I'm gonna have a conversation, y'all, man. My fault. This is a little spicy, so I need to slither up my words. But number one question will be. Number one question is about the ring. Come in. How much ring for my baby? How much ring? My little boot. Let's get this understood. Y'all hear me in this motherfucker? To get this understood right here. It's my baby boo right there. See what I'm saying? One thing wrong with these niggas out here, y'all. See, when they don't find something good, or when they do find something good, you know, we fuck it up. And vice versa.
That's true. Vice versa too. But okay. Sound kind of serious here. Let's see where this is going.
See what I'm saying? Same with the female.
True.
And you know, I was starting to feel that way. What's the right word? Internally. You know what I'm saying? Started to feel that way. I mean, it's like I feel like I just want to focus on my music, but you know what I'm saying? Just the things that's in my life. And then here comes along Regina. Just skipping her little butt on do. Feel me? Well, really, she wasn't skipping nowhere. She was flying in the clock. No, let me start. But nah, man, for real. I feel like the ring was just, it is just a token of my love. You know what I mean? Token of our love because it's, You know what I'm saying? It's two hearts in there. I feel like we intertwine, and that's what they represent. Kind of wanted to get on here and kind of show y'all what the ring represented. You know what I'm saying? If y'all look at it, it is two hearts, and it's like two hearts coming together. So I feel like that kind of represented me and her. You know? And yesterday was our 6-month and a mother freaking anniversary. Mm-hmm. Don't hate. I see you over there looking. Don't do that. Don't do that, bro.
Congratulations. 6 months is a good, like, you know, marking point of like, okay, we made it this far. You made it to a new year. And they still together. And they still in love. You can tell. They had so much fun on that cabin trip. Y'all watch that video if you haven't seen it.
We can celebrate 6 months, right? Why can't we celebrate 6 months? Huh? Can we celebrate 6 months, y'all? You know what I mean? But 6 months, y'all, that's crazy. I'm sorry, y'all. I really kind of ready to kick shit with y'all and talk to y'all. 6 months is crazy to me. Because time go by fast as hell. Hey, I remember when we was on Vine. If y'all remember when we was on Vine, spam the comments and say, I remember. And then I know what y'all, you know what I'm saying, that is y'all. Look, y'all remember Vine, bro? My fault.
Did y'all see them on Vine? Let me know if it was different than what we saw when we did the reaction to I'm a little perfect.
Man, this shit going dumb right now. Told y'all stupid niggas to ask us, huh? I mean, get some. Y'all ain't want none. Now they gonna look at me. You ain't get none. Hey, over there, little dog.
You wrong. You should have told us. Like, I mean, everybody ain't got their seafood ready. Now you gonna make me want to go get some.
Yeah, you wanna look back and shit. Told you, man. But, like I was saying, y'all. What I was saying, bro?
Celebration.
Okay.
Anniversary.
Oh. Yeah. Just a token of my love, man. You know what I'm saying? Another thing I want to get into. You know what I mean? Just the young people. The young cats. And, you know what I mean? I was just talking about my broski. We was having a little discussion about, you know, he asked me, like, is it really, like, is it hard? Oh, what the car did he ask me? In the car.
What did he say? Was it hard to,
Is it hard being faithful?
Yeah, is it hard being faithful?
That's what my little bro asked me. Whoa! Oh, shit! I'm gonna eat this way so y'all can really see me get off. Ooh, eat this way? I'm gonna eat this way. I'm gonna eat this way. Alright, so look, y'all. But, yeah, he asked me, he said, yo, bro, is it really hard, you know, like being faithful? I'm like, hell no. What makes you think it'd be hard, though? You feel what I'm saying? Like, I really have to ask that question because I needed to know. I feel like young kings, man, and young queens, man, you gotta take time to get to know each other. You get?
That's true. I'm with you, Armon. Go ahead, put everybody on game. I'm listening too. What's going on? So you can always learn something from anybody, whether you older, younger, male or female. You know, every day is an opportunity for a new lesson.
I'm saying, yeah. No, you gotta take time. You gotta get to know each other. You gotta understand that, you know. Let me see. Bro, this shit going so crazy.
That shit fire?
Oh man, awesome.
I just got me some.
Mm-hmm. But look, it's like, you know, you gotta take the proper time, y'all. I don't feel like you gotta have a time limit on nothing. But there is a time limit on getting to know somebody as far as your own time. Like if you feel like you met the requirements, you'd have been through some shit where you know you ain't rushing.
That's true too, because you need to make sure that, you know, before you go into a new relationship, you've healed from the old ones and you've learned your lessons about what happened as far as what they did, and then what happened as far as like how you could have handled things differently. You know, because really, honestly, in most cases, you know, it's not just one person's fault it didn't work out. Sometimes it's like I need to grow up, or my expectation, or my family history, or my past relationships, you know, affect how I come into the next relationship, you know? So, you know, you really got to know yourself, be introspective, spend some time alone sometimes if you need to. Because, you know, I've known people who just jump in from one relationship to the next and, you know, kind of just go quickly too, you know? So they break up with him on Friday, you know, they already got backup dudes, you know? And so sometimes that affects you trying to work it out. Because if you already know you can roll on to the next person, it's like, okay, whatever. And then, you know, somebody else, they caught in their feelings like, oh, well, you know, I wish I had another chance with that person. That person already moved on.
You know what I mean? That person is for you. You don't want nobody else. Man, commit yourself. What you scared of, man? Grow up.
That part. Grow up.
That's me just talking shit, bro. Young kings, man. That's what they like to say, huh? Young kings. That's what you is. If y'all don't know, ask somebody. Whenever I eat this type of shit, y'all, I'm gonna sweat to the morning. But my barber's still here, so as soon as I'm done, give me a reach out. No, I'm playing. No, I'm playing. But as I was saying about taking your time, I mean, that's just me as a man. Because I know what I want. You know what I'm saying? I'm not indecisive. I feel like, you know, baby girl check off all the requirements. Like, you know, she really checked all the requirements off for me to marry her, but we just young right now. You get what I'm saying? And don't want to, you know, that's premature. We got to grow. We got to experience life. We got to travel more. We got to just do way more. But I feel like, bro, if you got a young lady, man, hold on to that. And all the boxes checked off, she love you, you love her. Hold on to that, man. You know, they talk about Hour Past Midnight, man. Get into it. Hour Past Midnight. Very, 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 very intimate song to me as far as, you know, feelings, beat selection. For like Hour Past Midnight was kind of a bornable song for me in a sense, you know, because y'all know how I am, man. Ah, damn, bro, I just feel like this girl. I don't know, man. I feel like this girl just, I don't know. But Hour Past Midnight, it really wasn't specifically about, you know, my, excuse me, your significant. Man, songs about, damn, Cuddy, boy, you checked out through the bit. You know what I mean? What's your favorite little seafood thing to eat? Let me know.
Do y'all like seafood? Let us know. But like personally, I love shrimp. I could like fish is probably second. I don't know. I gotta probably try like some like a seafood boil or something like that. See what's up with that. You know, because traditionally, like I think I only had crab like maybe once. I mean, I'm not really into trying a whole lot of new things, but I do need to try some crawfish. So next time I end up around Louisiana, I'm gonna get some fried crawfish and see what's going on with that.
Oh, man. Let me know. This shit starting to get hot now. This shit got, like they inject the shit with juice.
They do.
Butter or some shit. That Sarsky. Mandra. Yes, Sarsky.
Yes, Sarsky.
Yes, Sarsky.
Yes, Sarsky.
All right, y'all, man. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go. Yeah, I mean. But yes, love that girl, man. I did get my baby a promise ring.
Aww.
Of course, it's my little boo thing, man. Y'all.
Oh, that's so sweet. You know, I'm glad they taking their time with it. Because if y'all gonna be together for a long time, ain't no need to rush, right? But it's nice he got a promise ring. That's sweet.
Know how we rocking. This shit that we ain't even got to talk about. You know what I'm saying? She got it. She know. Yeah, right? Let's get that merch.
Y'all support Armon with his music and his merchandise.
Before y'all get up out of here, man, I need y'all to buy that merch. I need y'all to buy that merch. It was almost here. Oh yeah. I need y'all to buy that merch.
Alright, so I think that's it. So y'all heard the man. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the No Squad.